Cambodia is a country located in Southeast Asia. Here's some information about its location, economy, education, and history. Location: Cambodia is situated in the southern part of the Indochinese Peninsula, bordered by Thailand to the northwest, Laos to the northeast, Vietnam to the east, and the Gulf of Thailand to the southwest. Its capital and largest city is Phnom Penh. Education. Education in Cambodia has seen improvements in recent years, although there are still challenges to overcome. The Cambodian education system consists of 3 levels: primary, secondary, and tertiary education. Primary education is free and compulsory for children aged 6 to 12. However, access to education remains limited in rural areas, and the quality of education varies. Cambodia has made efforts to expand access to higher education, with several universities and technical institutions established in the country. History. Cambodia has a rich and complex history. The Khmer Empire, which reached its peak in the 12th century, was a powerful and influential state in Southeast Asia, known for its architectural marvels, including the renowned Angkor Wat Temple complex. The empire declined in the 15th century due to internal conflicts and external pressures. Cambodia later became a French protectorate in 1863 and gained independence in 1953. In the 1970s, Cambodia went through a tragic period under the Khmer Rouge regime, led by Pol Pot, resulting in widespread suffering and the loss of millions of lives. The regime was overthrown in 1979 by a Vietnamese invasion, but Cambodia continued to face political instability and civil war until the 1990s. Since then, the country has made progress in rebuilding and recovering from its troubled past. It's important to note that the above information reflects the state of Cambodia up until my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, and there may have been further developments and changes in the country since then. In conclusion, Cambodia is a Southeast Asian country with a diverse and complex history. It is located on the Indochinese Peninsula, bordered by Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, and the Gulf of Thailand. The country's economy relies on agriculture, garment manufacturing, tourism, and construction. Cambodia's education system has made improvements, but challenges such as limited access and varying quality remain. Efforts have been made to expand higher education opportunities in the country. The country's history is marked by the rise and decline of the Khmer Empire, colonization by France, and a tragic period under the Khmer Rouge regime. Cambodia has since undergone a process of recovery and rebuilding. It's worth noting that this information is accurate up until September 2021, and there may have been further developments in Cambodia since then. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you found the content informative and entertaining. Creating content for this channel has been a passion of mine, and I appreciate all of your support and engagement. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment or send me a message. I am always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to my audience. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and I hope this channel has inspired you to continue your quest for knowledge. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.